Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the euro pound. I've got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. They're all referenced in the description below, so let's get into it. Now, for most of last week we were testing the 88.03 daily support level here, and we did close below it yesterday. So are we going to move down towards now weekly support, 87.22? I'm not so sure. We've got a support low here. If you look left, there's lots of support lows to the left here that could act as support. I'd be more inclined to look for a move back above the 8800 level. Does 88.03 become support for a move back up the range? So of course we can continue the decline, but we are trading into a support area there, so we'll support hold for a move back up the range this week. Alright traders, moving on to New Zealand yen. Not much changing at the moment on the New Zealand yen. Still worth watching though. We're in a clear long-term weekly range. Weekly resistance up here at 94.91 and weekly support down here. Now I'm still looking for price to pop up to the top of the range. So watching 84.66 to 84.91. Can we come up, hold and fail, and then move back down to the bottom of the range long term? Not much going on here for 2 or 3 weeks. Very consolidatory, but sooner or later we're going to get a move. So just keep watching the outer boundaries of the range. Do we come up to 84.66 to 84.91, hold and fail for a move back down to the bottom of the range. Alright, onto the New Zealand dollar. There's a lot more going on in this pair. Last week we broke below monthly support 62.04 and weekly support 61.91. So I've only got my monthly and weekly levels drawn in on this pair, and I'm looking for price to move back up for a retest of this area 61.91 to 62.04, so approximately the 6200 level. Does that become resistance now for a continued move down? Can we move down towards the 60.47 weekly support level? Alright traders, moving on to dollar CAD. Can the advance continue? We've had a nice move up, higher bottom to a higher top, but we've hit what is monthly resistance up here. Then we've got day resistance and then weekly resistance. So there's a strong resistance area up here. We've certainly sold off down from that level, and we pulled back yesterday just short of 135.20, which is now day support. We may have already gotten support there for the next move up, but I would be watching, can we actually pull back to 135.20, find support there for then a further move up to retest 136.64, and are we able to start to move above this strong resistance area? Of course up here we could see a retest and a failure, so levels to watch 135.20 to be support. Can we come up and then move above 136.64 monthly resistance? Alright, moving on to dollar franc. Now last week, the blue candle here Friday, we came up and tested 94.08, which is weekly resistance. Yesterday we tried to get above, couldn't. So is this the end of the run, or is it simply a short-term sell-off? So the key level to watch at the moment is 93.32, this daily resistance level that we moved above last week. Does that offer now support for a move up to retest 94.08, and can we then move above? We might get a further retest and failure. So we're in a strong resistance area here. 93.60 is monthly resistance, 94.08 is weekly resistance. On any further pullback, does 93.32 hold as support to keep the uptrend in play for a move higher? Okay, last pair to review for today. Dollar yen has been very strong, and last week we moved above the 135.16, major monthly high from back in time. If you go to your monthly chart and squash it in, you'll see it there. So we've moved above that level. Can we hold above that level now for the long term? This is a little bit overextended from Friday's move. We may need a pullback. So can we get a pullback? Does 135.16 become support now for a move higher? Can we come up and challenge 137.66, which is a day resistance level? A lot of resistance formed in this area, so be careful of that area. So can we get a pullback? Can you buy a dip? Does 135.16 be support this week for a move higher to test 137.66? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 28th of February, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 1st of March, a review of the recent Forex trading patterns. In this webinar, Duncan will review the market structure and the trading patterns that set up during the previous month. He will cover the 79% fib retracement, head and shoulders, double top and double bottom, and range trade patterns. 2nd of March, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. 8 p.m. Sydney time. Follow the link below and join for free.